Hi everyone! In today's video is a special Coach bag unboxing. The reason I say special because this is a gift that I got from Coach Boutique Doncaster. So here it is. So my partner and I attended a Coach VIP dinner event last week or the week before. It was on the 30th of November 2022. And it was such a special night, and I got to meet the other VIP clients as well from the other boutiques. So yeah, and this is a gift that I got. So I'm so excited. So my partner also got a gift, but it's not a bag. But before I do the unboxing, I just want to show you a little clip from the night. So here it is.
Well, it works. She's like you. She knew Okay, here we go. It's going, it's going. Jiggle around. That's it. And it's going. Keep going. 3 seconds, 2 seconds.
Well, I hope that you enjoyed that little clip. So anyway, let's do the unboxing. So it's in this shopping bag in here, and it's also got this gorgeous Coach tag, and then on the tag it says my nickname, Jojo. And I also got a card, so here it is. So this is just the Coach card. It was such a great night, and the food was delicious. So I just want to show you quickly. So this was it here. I don't know whether you can see. So that was the menu from that night. So yeah, so it was awesome. Anyway, let's do the unboxing. So I'm so excited because, you know, I can't believe that they gifted, you know, they gifted a bag. So yeah, it's awesome. Look at this, it's so beautiful. Look at the ribbon, the red ribbon. So now let's have a look what bag they gave me. It's so pretty. Okay. I love the Coach packaging. Okay, let's have a look what it is. It's in this little dust bag. Here it is. Okay. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. Look. Oh wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. How cute is this bag? So it is a micro bag. So this is the studio. It's beautiful. Oh, I love it. Now, if you've seen my Coach unboxing on my last video, I also did a well, I did an unboxing and it was a micro bag as well. So now I have two. Yay! Now I can compare the two. Wow, it's gorgeous. I love this color. It's like vivid pink, and it's got that push lock button. So this is like the baby, because I do have the Coach Studio, the big one. And now I get the micro one. Oh, it's so cute. And this is in the glove tan leather. So it's glove leather throughout. And then you've got the microfiber lining. Oh my God, it's so cute. And then look. And then it comes with this adjustable strap. Wow. I think that is so gorgeous. So it's just one big compartment here, and then you have the back pocket, and then you also have like a little front pocket here. Oh wow, I love it so much. Thank you so much, Coach Boutique Doncaster. This is such an awesome gift. I can't believe it. And that's just the tag. Oh, it is so cute. Here it is, guys. What do you guys think? I think this is such an awesome gift. I love it so much. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do, because I got the other one, the Rogue 12. I can do the comparison, and I can do what fits in both of the, you know, for both of them, to see which one can fit more. Oh, it's so amazing. I love it. It is so cute. So let's have a look again. So it is all leather, all like your back and then your bottom. Oh my God, it's so tidy. It's so tidy. So cute. The measurement of this bag is 11 centimeter in length, 4.5 in width, and 8 centimeter in height. It is so cute, and it just fits on the palm of my hand. Look at that. I love it so much. And this bag retails for 350 Australian dollars. So I am so grateful to Coach Boutique in Doncaster for gifting this bag to me. Special thanks to Maggie and Lou. Thank you so much, guys. I just love going to Coach Boutique in Doncaster, and they just always look after me. And yeah, it is just, and yeah, I always get invited to events as well. So thank you once again. I'm so grateful. So yeah. Thank you. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I do have another Coach bag unboxing, so please stay tuned for that one. And what I'm gonna do, I'll also do a little clip here featuring this bag so you can see what it looks like. So anyway, guys, thank you so much again for watching. Until next time, bye for now.